In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add border to Canva text, and just like this. Now, this is really easy to do, and what we want to do is have our text on the canvas just like this. Now, from here, we click onto the text, we come up to Effects, and we have a couple of different options. Now, the main one you're going to want to use is this outline just here. Now, as you can see, when we click on it, it adds a little border. Now, if we click on this little color icon, we can play around and choose the color that we want. We can also add the hex code of our own color just here, or we can use this eyedropper and choose a color from the canvas, just like that. Now, for this example, I'm going to go with black. Then what we can do is play around with the thickness of this border as well to get it how we want. Now, there is another way, and the other one is called hollow. Now, if we click on here, it's going to make the actual font with no color. And again, with this, we can play around with the thickness as well to get it how we want. But I'd say you'd want to use the outline. Now, there is another one. In fact, it's called Splice. If we click on there, this one is a little bit different, as you can see, and you can play around with the settings here as well. But I prefer Splice, and then I choose black, and now we have that border just like that. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to add a border in Canva text. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, I have this playlist for you just here, which is packed of Canva tutorials.